guys, thanks for watching. If you're already using Payable Apps to process sales through Google Forms or Sheets, you know how easy it is to get started. But what if you want to sell more than one of the same product or offer different sizes or options? No problem. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, for every item or service you want to sell, you need to create a response option on the form that follows the basic payable format of item description dash price. So something like embroidered toque dash $14. When a customer selects a payable response, our add-on automatically totals their choices and creates an invoice. In this example, you'll see I'm using a checkbox type question to sell a variety of different priced products. To let customers buy more than one, simply list quantity options with their corresponding price. Using a drop-down question keeps your form tidy and easy to read. For example, one toque $14, two toques $28, three toques $42. When a buyer selects two, their invoice would show embroidered toque 2 and a balance owing of $28. For drop-down questions, we combine the question title with the line item descriptor to create the invoice descriptor. If you want to include more information about the item while keeping your product title concise, just add a question description field for additional copy. If your product comes in different sizes or colors, we recommend using a checkbox grid question. Here, each row can represent a size and each column represents a quantity and price. With this question type, the line item descriptor is comprised of the row and column identifiers. For instance, if someone orders 4 medium logo tees at $48.95, their invoice will read logo tee, size medium, quantity 4, and $48.95 as the balance owing for that line item. And here, quickly looking at a sample invoice, you'll see how these selections appear. The first item is a basic checkbox selection, with the next being my chosen drop-down item, and the following two from my checkbox grid t-shirt question. And lastly, a bonus tip. When creating your payable form, click the Add Sample Payment section Setup step. This automatically inserts a set of example questions showing all possible payable question formats. You can edit or remove them as needed. It's the fastest way to learn how payable works. And that's it. Now you know how to sell multiple sizes, quantities, or options right inside of your Google Payable form. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more payable tips. Happy selling!